Hello and welcome to the eWay-CRM tutorial videos. Today, we would like to show you how to create custom fields. We will start with eWay-CRM Online and move on to eWay-CRM Desktop. Let's dive in. If you are new to eWay-CRM, the easiest way to create a custom field is by opening any item, such as a contact, clicking the tab Custom Fields, and pressing this button. It takes us to the Admin Center, where we fill in our data and save it. When I go back and refresh the page, my field is here. That was simple. To create a second field, click here. Custom fields can be categorized into sections. Click here to create your categories. Let me quickly create 3: Sales, Marketing, and Support. And I will change their order to Marketing, Sales, and Support. Let me also create 2 fields in each section. We keep going, and to make it simple, I will just call them Field 3, Field 4, etc., and keep them all as single-line text. And we are done. Let's go back to the eWay-CRM and refresh. My fields are here. Notice that categories are sorted as I wanted. First Marketing, then Sales, and last Support. Fields within a category are sorted alphabetically. Fields without a category are listed in the last section called Custom Fields. I will fill in some values. And we can go back to creating one more field. I want to show you the complete wizard. This is where you can select the field type. We have single-line text, multi-line text, number, date, checkbox, and so on. Most of the types contain additional settings to configure. The drop-down menu allows me to set the individual items. Link allows me to set the type. Feel free to click through them when you have a second. In modules, you can select other modules where you want to make the field. I can create this field in both contacts and companies. You can also add a description. It can help users by providing a better explanation of how to use the field. To the right, you can make the field required, important, unique, or read-only. For now, we'll leave them blank. Some plans allow you to set detailed permissions. Click Next to get to have a look. We can make some fields read-only or hidden from a selected group of users. Just change the settings. To find out more, make sure to watch our video about field permissions. It's a complex topic. As soon as we are done, click Create Field, and that's it. You know the rest. Let's go back to eWay-CRM Online one last time. This time, I will open a list of contacts. To add a field here, click Column Chooser, find your field, and simply drag and drop it to the right spot. The same works in the board view. You just click the option Field Chooser. If you select your field, it will appear on the card. Nice. Advanced users can use eWay-CRM Desktop to add fields to the main screen. We have recorded a separate video, but I want to show you at least some basics. This is my contact inside eWay-CRM Desktop. Click this button to open the Form Designer. It changes the dialog to an editable mode, allowing me to take the fields I have created and place them wherever I want. This one goes here. Nice. If I want to group fields into categories, I must create them manually. Right-click and group. I type down the name, and here we go. If I want to save my form, I click here and choose a name, and we are done. Forms are synchronized between eWay-CRM Desktop and eWay-CRM Online. If I go back to eWay-CRM Online and open the contact again, the main form gets updated. That's how I like it. Remember, Form Designer is a complex topic, and we have recorded a separate video. Feel free to watch it.
I hope that you found this walkthrough helpful. If so, and you're viewing us on YouTube, feel free to give us a thumbs up or subscribe for more informative eWay-CRM tutorials. And I thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you again soon. Cheers.